Beforehand on C. Beforehand on A, afterhand on in. Touch and name together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Accent means
Mouth
opens wider.
Our voice gets louder and higher, and we hold the sound longer.
Accent every other letter start with A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Next time when you're saying the other letter, you're not shouting it, so we can hear that accent. Because accent means our mouth gets wider, voice gets louder and higher, and we hold the sound longer. Replace.
Replace. Put away. Put away your sound. G. G. No, diphthong. O-U. I consonant E. K. Trigraph T-C-H. Diphthong O-W. Combination A-I. F. V. Combination Q. A. P. R. D. L. Digraph NG. Y. Vowel Y.
Thank you. Everyone?
Vowel Y. E. U consonant E. Diphthong O-Y. N.
O-Y?
O-I.
Thank you.
N. Combination W-H. Digraph S-H. Combination O-R. Combination A-Y. Trigraph D-G-E. Digraph C-H. X. Combination U-A-U.
Digraph.
Digraph A-U. C. B. W. Combination E-R. Y. S. M. Digraph O-O. Combination I-R. Combination A-R. Combination U-R. I-Z. Combination
Diphthong.
O-Y. O-Y. Diphthong O-Y. O-Y.
It sounds like O-Y.
U. T. Digraph E consonant E. H. O consonant E. O. Digraph E. Digraph C-A.
Everyone do that again.
Digraph C-K. Digraph T-H. A consonant E. J. Okay, that's the song.
Base word is
The simplest form of the English word
plus a suffix. The suffix is
is a group of words. No, not a group of words or
letter or letters added to the end of the base word
to equal
change the form or usage.
of the derivative.
Base word plus
Suffix
equals the derivative. I will be writing derivatives on the board today. M-A-N-L-Y S-A-F-E-L-Y L-A-T-E-L-Y. What do you notice alike at the end of the word?
L-Y in the final position.
If we cover up our L-Y, do we have a base word?
Yes.
Man. Safe. Late. So this is our suffix ly. Does it begin with a vowel or a consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. So it is a consonant suffix ly. Okay. Let's see if we can discover the meaning. Actually, let's do the sound. So when we see ly at the end of a base word, we read e. We box suffix ly. Okay, let's see if we can discover the meaning. If we manly, that means we are
More manly or
like. We are like. Up, please. Thank you. Okay, if we are safely, that's showing how we are
safe.
how.
How?
And lately is when. So, like, how, when. All right.
A vowel syllable is short, coded with a braid. A vowel and an open accented syllable is long, coded with a macron. A vowel and a vowel consonant E syllable is long. Slash the E, code the vowel with a macron. A vowel adjacent vowels
In a syllable
may form a vowel digraph or diphthong. Underlying vowel digraph are diphthong. A vowel is a combination
when it's before a consonant except another R. R vowel Y. Bracket,
final stable syllable, accent the syllable before.
For our syllable division, find our special situations,
Code, name our
the
vowels.
voiced.
Name our voice vowels. Name our consonants.
Label your consonants.
Label your consonants.
Divide, accent, code, and read. Here we go. Box suffix ly. A vowel and a closed syllable is short, coded with the braid. Box suffix ly. Slash the E, code the vowel with the macron. Box suffix ly. Slash the E, code the vowel with the macron. Manly, safely, lately. You will do number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I want to hear.
Suffix ly. A vowel and a syllable short, two adjacent vowels. Oh wait, which one? Underline digraph E.
Glad you asked.
Box suffix ly. Underline two adjacent vowels. Box suffix ly. Vowel and a syllable short, code with three. Code N with a G.
In
Box suffix ly. Box suffix ly. A vowel and a syllable short, code with three underlines.
number 1,
Manly, safely,
number 2,
Weekly, fastly, finally.
number 3,
Freely, sternly, timely.
number 4.
Sweetly, blankly, sickly.
Everyone put yourself away. When we see ly at the end of a suffix, we read that as ly. Box suffix ly. As I write these derivatives on the board, I want you to notice what is alike at the end of the words. G, R, E, E, D, Y. S, U, N, N, Y. W, I, N, D, Y. What do you notice at the end of the word?
They all have Y at the end. They all have the suffix Y at the end.
Okay, so if we cover up our Y, do we have a base word?
Yes.
Green. Sun, wind. Okay, so when Y is in the final position, is it a vowel or a consonant? Let's listen. Greedy, sunny, windy.
Vowel.
It is a vowel. It's making the E sound. Okay? So this is a suffix, vowel. This is a suffix. This is vowel suffix. Okay? Let's go. Ready? Oh, sorry. So when we see Y at the end of our base word, we read that as E. We box suffix Y. Ready? Box suffix Y, underline digraph E, box suffix Y, a vowel and a closed syllable is short, coded with the breathe. Box suffix Y, a vowel and a closed syllable is short, coded with the breathe. Greedy, sunny, windy. Okay, take out your papers. Number 6, Clarine, 7, 8, 9.
Box suffix Y, vowel closed syllable short, coded breathe. Box suffix Y, a vowel closed syllable short, coded breathe. Box suffix Y, a vowel closed syllable short, coded breathe. Box suffix Y, a vowel closed syllable short.
Okay, number 6.
Dusty, mushy, drafty.
Number 7.
Filthy, glassy, curly.
Number 8.
Frothy, windy, risky.
Number 9.
Muddy, whitney, glossy, witty.
Now we know when we see Y at the end of our base word, we read E, we box suffix, vowel suffix Y. We forgot to talk about the meaning of our Y, so let's do that now. So when we see E at the end of our base word, if something is sunny, it means it is have or with. If you are greedy, that means you are marked by. Okay? All right. So now we know it means marked by, has, with, when we see suffix Y. So I'll go put our papers away. Charlie, we will begin with you. Instant words are
Words we need to know instantly.
echo, find,
Find,
oil,
oil,
than, first, my, who, now, water, ben, call.
Oil, first, who, water, call, find, then, my, now, then. Oil, who, call, then, now, first, water, find, my, then. Oil, call, now, water, my, who, then, first, find, then.
Instant words are
Words we need to know instantly.
for our sentences today. We will need to know when we see when we see A before W, we read A as ah. We code A with a diaresis. When we see suffixes, we box our suffixes first and our prefixes. Our instant words today are your, to, a, the, you. We circle our instant words.
Besides
A we code with a
diuresis.
tittle. Tittle. Okay, ready? Let's have number 9. So circle number 9. Number 6. Yep, you're gonna do number 9. Number 1. Number 5. Number 5. So let's look at it. Is it open or is it closed? Is there a vowel, a consonant after it? Open. So vowel and an open accent is
Miss, I have a question. Underline paragraph S. Miss McIntosh. So what do I do with dogs?
Yeah, remember we talked. Yep.
Box suffix Y around
You are. What is you are? Make sure you can read your sentences. Put your pencils away so it doesn't bother you. All right, number 1. Number 1.
I hope you wash your car lately.
Number 5.
The groomer cut the dog's shaggy fur.
Number 6.
It was a risky trip, but Sam and Kim got home safely.
Number 9.
He went quickly to catch the dog.
So now we know when we see A before W, we read ah. We code A with a diuresis. Turn to your first graph, 63.1. What do we notice in all of these words?
L-Y.
L-Y.
L-Y. New position.
Final position.
Okay. So when we see ly at the end of the base word, that suffix is red. Lee. Echo. Manly.
Manly.
Vastly.
Vastly.
Glumly.
Lumley.
Crisply.
Crisply.
Blankly.
Blankly.
We'll start with Clarion.
Blankly. Manly. Crispy. Vastly.
Lumley. Manly. Crispy. Blankly. Vastly. Crisply, blankly, manly, vastly, grumpy.
Go to the top. Go to the top.
Manly, vastly, glumly, crispy, blanky.
Crisply. We've all said, started saying crispy. Crisply. Okay, echo. Safely.
Safely.
Lately.
Lately.
Timely.
Timely.
Lively.
Lively.
Finally.
Finally.
Clarion. Light. Light. Feebly. Safely.
Timely, timely, lively, lately, safely. Lively, timely, lately, finally, safely. Safely, lately, timely, lively, finally.
And keep going to the next section.
Fastly, safely, lately, crisply, blankly. Tiny, lately, lively, glumply, safely.
Glumly. Glumly.
Huh?
You said glumply. Glumly.
Glumly. lively, vastly, finally, manly, glumly.
Now we know when we see ly at the end of a base word, it is our consonant suffix. It means, oh, and we read it as ly. It means like, how, or when. When we see y at the end of our base word, this is our vowel suffix, and we read it as e. It means marked by, have, or with. Put our papers away.
Tired.
While you're waiting, put your name on your paper.
I vote for the papers or
Just this one, please. Our spelling deck response today. This takes me a while to do, sorry guys. Okay, our spelling deck response today is when we hear we read as, we spell digraph in G, comma, in. When we hear our spelling deck response for is combination ER, comma, combination OR. Oh, sorry. Look and listen.
Look at this.
Echo.
Echo.
Name and write.
Name and write.
Digraph.
N-G, comma, N. Combination E-R, comma, O, comma, comma,
R. My tongue is curling. Pencils down so I know you're in. Eyes up. Charlie.
T.
Ah.
O,
Comma.
comma,
Like
O,
watch.
O,
A.
comma, A.
V.
V.
Final.
Final E.
V.
A final
You guys had this last week. Practice those two more. That will be in our next deck. Qua.
Qua. Combination Q. U.
Or.
Or. Combination O, R.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Digraph.
O.
Ah.
A.
Eh.
E.
Mmm. I.
I.
Ow.
Ow. Diphthong. O-U. Final. O-W. Digraph. T-H.
Pencils away. Maybe your board got messed up. Review our picture sounds. Go.
Puffer, tongue tapper, back kicker, fat puff, fat
Lip.
lip chiller, tongue chiller, thin streams, fat stream, front nasal, middle nasal, back nasal, around air, panting air, and gliding area, air,
What is it? Kicking air.
front
Curler.
curler,
Side curler.
spine
Spine
vowel,
vowel.
E, A, I, O. Open vowel,
Aw. Round vowel. O. U. Fuzzy R.
Bossy R, bossy R, or,
Glider.
or,
Ow.
no, glider, glider, ow.
Look and listen.
Look at this.
Echo.
Echo,
Echo in your mirror.
echo in your mirror,
Pull down your sound pictures.
pull down your sound pictures.
Label.
Label.
Replace.
Replace.
Eyes up. E.
E,
Mirror.
E, E, E,
E. Name.
smiling vowel, E, unvoiced lip puffer, unvoiced lip chiller.
Replace. Guys, great job. Going quick and fast. Here we go. Mirror. Okay, let's name.
Side curler, unvoiced lip tongue chiller,
Middle.
middle nasal,
Replace. Ow.
ow, ow,
Look at your mouth to help you. What was the last sound?
Ow.
Ow. Oh,
Ow.
thank you. Name?
No, miss.
Oh.
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 No.
Oh. I'm not saying look at my mouth. Okay, name it. What's our first one?
Unvoiced lip puffer p. Our glider lip puffer p. I mean
That's not
tongue.
a tongue tapper.
Unvoiced tongue tapper.
Thank you.
Glider owl and our round owl.
Replace. Look and listen.
Look and listen.
Echo.
Echo.
Unblend.
Unblend.
Hold down your sound pictures.
Sound pictures.
Add. Take away.
Take away.
Trade. Switch. Repeat. Your word is, don't worry about that, just go do yours. Your word is sip.
Sip.
It.
Is.
It.
Sipply. Shipley.
If this is sip, do the sounds.
Sip.
Show me soup.
Ooh.
Soup. If this is soup, oop, show me sap.
Sap.
Say sap. Say sap.
Sap. Sap. Sap.
If this is sap, do the sounds.
Sap.
Show me pass. What do we do?
No.
Good job. If this is pass, last word. Pass. Show me path. Look at what your mouth is doing. What are we going to put up there? There we go. Okay, tell me what we did.
We traded our
unvoiced
and stream
for our unvoiced lip
chiller.
in the
No, tongue chiller.
tongue chiller in our
Final position.
replace.
Are we doing spelling now?
Okay, when we see a short vowel sound before a consonant sound to close the syllable, we spell that pattern of sound, vowel, consonant, a vowel and a closed syllable is short, coded with the brief. When we hear k before e, I, or y, we spell k. Your first word is bumpy.
Bumpy.
Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I did this. I forgot this part. Stop. We're doing derivatives, so we need to do our derivative. Ready? Base word plus a
suffix equals derivative.
Okay. When we have
A base word plus a vowel suffix, we check the last three letters. If we have a base word plus a consonant suffix, we just add.
if we have two adjacent,
Vowels.
keep going. Do two adjacent consonants
plus a vowel suffix,
we add.
A base word
No,
plus
we have two adjacent vowels. We need to check the last three
letters
and make a decision. If we have a
base
word,
plus a vowel
if we have a base word that ends in in an accented one vowel, one consonant, we have to double the consonant before attaching the vowel suffix. Your word is bumpy.
like that.
Batting.
We'd have to add two T's.
Exactly.
What's our number?
Bumpy. Say bumpy.
Bumpy. No. What? No, another P. Oh.
Okay. So, we need to look and listen. We just did that. Echo,
Echo.
unblend.
Unblend.
We need to identify our base word and our suffix. So let's look at this word. Bumpy. What's our base word? Bump. So our suffix is E.
That means the Y.
We need to make a decision. If it's an E, we have to check our last three letters. Ready? Let's touch and spell.
No, that's our first three letters. Those are our first three.
We have to check our last three letters. We're gonna touch and spell. B-U-M-P. What are we ending with?
MP.
MP. When we have two consonants, we
Ah.
just add it back. Let's touch and spell the whole word. B-U-M-P-Y. Name and write.
Do we have to separate them like
No.
bump? Do we just have to write bump and then E?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, you're right. You are correct. Yes, we write the base word first. You are correct. So let's write the base word first. Tell me what to spell.
Bump.
I should hear everyone telling me the first letter.
E-U-M-P.
I should hear everyone. Why did we stop?
Cut. Well, I thought we separated them.
You're right. You're right. I am messing up. I got my derivatives and my two syllables going on in my brain right now. I did this last time we had this problem. Okay, and we said we are going to add. So name and write the derivative. Keep going.
No, that's not Y.
Okay, let's code and read. We're all there.
Wait, no, not.
What do we do first?
Code
Box.
suffix Y. A vowel. So we're shortcut with the break.
Good. That was quick, Charlie. Great job. Replace. That keeps falling down. Next word. Echo. Handy.
Handy.
Unblend and pull down. our base word?
Hand.
Hand. So our suffix is
Y.
okay. So we again have a vowel, so we need to check the last three.
No.
Let's
Yeah, last three.
E is our vowel. So we're going to check the last three, but the way that I'm going to do it is we're going to touch and spell all of it. Ready? H-A-N-D. What are we ending with?
N-D.
So the same as last time, we have those two
Add it back
consonants.
on.
We add it back on. Let's write our base word. Touch and spell our base word. H-A-N-D. Name and write.
H-A-N-D.
You are writing quickly. Good job. Tell me what to write. Tell me what to write.
H-A-N-D.
And we are going to
Plus the suffix.
add. Yep. So let's touch and spell the whole derivative. Ready? H-A-N-D-Y. Let's touch and spell. Ready?
H-A-N-D-Y. H-A-N-D-Y. H-A-N-D-Y.
Girls, tell me what to spell.
H-A-N-D-Y.
Let's code and read.
Box suffix Y. Monosyllable short code of 3.
Read.
Handy.
Replace. Repeat. Rusty.
Rusty. My T. E.
Rusty. Oh, great job. Okay, ready?
Oh, that's missing. I have to fix.
Okay, let's find the base word. What's our base word in rusty?
Rust.
Rust. What do we have? A vowel, so we need to check the last three. Let's touch and spell. R-U-S-T. Oh, so we have two consonants again, so we just add. Touch and spell them. Oh, we just touched it, so go ahead and, I think this is where I have you guys doubling it. I've been telling you to touch and spell it twice, haven't I? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Name and write.
R-U-S-T-Y. No. Rest. Let me erase the Y.
Oops. And we said we're going, oh, tell me how to spell it.
R-U-S-T.
And we're going to,
Add our suffix.
let's touch and spell the whole derivative.
R-U-S-T-Y.
Okay, name and write.
R-U-S-T-Y.
Let's, tell me what to write.
R-U-S-T-Y.
Let's code.
Box suffix Y. Monosyllable short code of 3.
Read.
Rusty.
Replace. Now we know when we hear k before E, I, or Y, we read k. Okay. Our sentence. This, let me take this so I don't distract you. Clary, ready?
Yeah.
The skinny man ran swiftly.
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 I want to hear you name all letters.
H A T H E S K I N S K I.
It is two N's because it ends with an I, a vowel, an accented vowel, and consonant.
Y. It ends with a Y. Skin.
Man. Ran swiftly.
R. A. Oh, I need an eraser. Lily, can I use your eraser?
Here. Oh, look at all that help.
Here, try your pencil. The skinny
And
M. M. A. N. S. W. The skinny man. I. R. Swift. A. Swift. T. L. S. Y. W. The skinny man ran swiftly. Did this one? How did you write? Swift. Swift. I just did this. Swiftly.
make it all fast.
Y. Swiftly.
All the way to the top. And to the left. Right. Okay, are we ready to code?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Circle the. Oh, I forgot to tell you our instant words, didn't I? I think we're good. Okay, I think you guys are good. Circle the.
Circle the. I'm gonna go silver suffix Y. I'm gonna go silver short coat with the breed. I'm gonna go silver short coat with the breed. I'm gonna go silver short coat with the breed. Vowel box suffix Y. L-Y. I'm gonna go silver short coat with the breed.
Read your word sentence.
The skinny man ran swiftly.
Okay, so now we know when we have a vowel sound before a consonant sound to close the syllable, we read that. Oh, how did I mess up my words? We read that pattern of sound, we write that pattern of sound, vowel, consonant, vowel and a closed syllable short, coded with the breed. We now know when we see ly at the end of a base word, we read it as lee, and it means. What does it mean?
It means how.
Like, how, when we see y at the end of our base word, we read it as e of, it means
Marks by,
having or with. Okay. If we see an initial or medial G before E or I, we read that sound J. Good job to you guys.